What's up, makers? My name is Brittany Cunningham and I'm the owner of Lit City Candles, a travel-inspired candle brand. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about my story and how I became a candle maker. I've always considered myself to be a creative person and I've always wanted to start my own business, but it wasn't until the pandemic that I was able to actually give it a try. I started candle making first as a hobby, and when I realized that I really enjoyed it, I knew it was time to make a business out of it. It was super easy for me to decide to make it a travel-inspired business because my second love in the world after candles, of course, is traveling. And so I made candles that represent different amazing cities across the world, hence the name Lit City Candle. Honestly, I didn't know what I was doing in the beginning, and I was even pouring candles in my kitchen, and now I'm here and I have my own dedicated space in my apartment as a candle studio. I'm so proud of how far I've come as a business owner and as a candle maker, but let me take you back to the beginning. In the beginning, I did a lot of experimentation. I tried different waxes, I tried different wicks, I did a lot of testing to get to the candles that I have now. Luckily for you though, you don't have to start from scratch. Makesy has an amazing moneymaker kit which has everything that you need to start your candle making journey today. It includes vessels, wax, different fragrance oils, things that you're going to need to start your candle business. Makesy also has a lot of incredible tools for you to use. For example, I use my wax melter every single day. In the beginning, I was doing the double boiler method where you put candle wax in a pitcher and you put that pitcher in a pot on the stove. Now I have a full-blown wax melter from Makesy that I use, and I can make hundreds of candles in a day with this. Another really awesome tool that I use in my candle making on a daily basis is Makesy's heat gun. I use this to smooth out my tops whenever I make a new batch of candles. And I definitely can't forget to mention the amazing wooden wicks that I use within my candles that I get from Makesy. In the beginning, I started out with cotton wicks and I did a lot of testing different fragrance oils and different temperatures, but eventually I ended up transitioning into using wooden wicks, and I absolutely love it. It gives my candles a unique feel. But regardless of if you like cotton wicks or wooden wicks, Makesy has a ton of different options for you to try. One of the best parts about being a candle maker is the fact that I get to come up with a concept in my head, do some testing and create it with my hands and sell it to someone to really enjoy and really love, and it makes their house smell amazing. Like, it just fills me with so much joy that I get to make handmade products every day for a living. Honestly, starting my candle business is one of the best things I've ever done. It allows me to make my own hours, be my own boss. I get to be creative and put out fun different scents. So if you're thinking about starting your own candle business, I definitely recommend checking out Makesy's Moneymaker Kit. Experiment, try different waxes, different fragrances. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Makesy to learn all things candle business, learn some marketing tips, and start your business today.